How to draw Giulia from Luca, step by step. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew! So for the first step, we're going to begin by making a circle for the left eye. In total, we're going to make 2 eyes for Giulia, but we're going to begin on the left hand side. We're going to make a circle with 2 more circles inside of it. The center circle will be black, and it will be very small. This will be to make the pupil. Now we will make a third circle around the black circle that we just made. Fantastic start! Now a little to the right, we're going to begin to make the second eye. This will look identical to the first one that we just made. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video of Giulia, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so we can keep you up to date on the latest drawing tutorials every single day. Nice! Now we have both of Giulia's eyes completed. Below and in the center of those 2 eyes, we're going to begin to make a shape that will look similar to an L. This will be to make the nose. Next, above those eyes that we previously drew, we're going to begin to add in eyebrows. The eyebrows will look similar to rectangles that have points on the ends of them. Let's move a little to the left and make the second eyebrow. Also learn how to draw Hub crew, I forgot to mention, don't forget to stick around to the end of the video so that we can call in our drawing together. Awesome! Now on the left hand side, above the eyebrow that we just drew, we're going to begin to make the beginning of Giulia's hair. We're going to use a lot of shapes that will look similar to circles. They will go on top of one another. So we're going to make these almost in a cluster. Great job! I know that was a great deal of shapes to make. Now we're going to go ahead and make the outline of Giulia's face. We're going to start from that cluster of shapes that we just drew. We're going to begin on the right hand side, making an upside down L-like shape, and then we'll hop over to the left hand side and do the exact same thing. Then we'll connect the 2 shapes that we make. From here, we will move to the left side of Giulia's hair. And we'll draw this line connecting all the way over to the right hand side, where we started. Now on the right and left hand side of Giulia's face, we're going to begin to add in C-like shapes to create the ears. We're going to begin on the right hand side. Inside of each ear, we're going to add in a curved line. This will help create a little bit of detail. And in the center, let's add in that line. Nice job! Now let's move it on over to the left hand side and do the exact same thing that we just did on the right side. Now if you haven't noticed, Giulia is missing hair on the sides of her head. We're going to fix this right now, but we're going to begin on the left hand side. We're going to begin to add in hair by using shapes, and then we'll connect those shapes to the top of her hair. Great job! Now we're all done with the left hand side. Before we move to the right, we have to draw the hat on the top of Giulia's head. We're going to begin over in the empty space between the two pieces of hair. We're going to begin to make one curved line connecting the two pieces of hair. Nice job! Now we have to draw the right side of Giulia's hat. This will go over to the right side of her face, but it will leave room for her hair. In that empty space, we're going to draw a line that will be going from left to right. Then, below that line, we will add in vertical lines that are very short. We'll learn how to draw Hub Crew. So far, this is coming along very well. Now, we're going to begin to draw short vertical lines. In total, we will have 3. Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. To the right side of the face, we're going to begin to add in hair. The hair will go just below the right ear of Giulia. Great job! Now last but not least, we're going to go below the nose and we're going to begin to make the mouth of Giulia. We're going to begin by making a oval-like shape. On the top of the mouth, we're going to add in square-like shapes for the teeth, and on the bottom of the mouth, we're going to add in a C-like shape that will be sideways for the tongue. Be sure to stick around to the very end so that we can color in our drawing together. Lastly, let's draw the tongue. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you enjoy watching videos just like this, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. Now stick around so we can color in our drawing together. Also, if this video helped you, then be sure to give it a big like. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.